Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson, I'll be showing you how to draw Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. So let's start in the center page. We're going to draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, we're going to draw a circle coming down towards the bottom. And then bend that back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top. Come down towards the same height. And then back up. Let's add a small trim around the outside of the eyes. So from the top left, we're going to step down, draw a smaller circle with a little white gap going around. Do the same thing on the right. Now in the center of each eye, I'm going to draw a small circle for the pupils. And we want to fill the outside of the eyes in black. And we're going to go around that pupil. Now with the eyes in place, let's draw in the mouth. In between the eyes, we're going to draw a curve for the lip. We're going to go up in the middle and then bend that back down. Let's go to the outside of the eyes, draw a straight angled line going up towards the corners of the mouth. And I want to round up the ends, bend this down and then in towards the bottom, towards the middle. Let's do the same thing on the right. Rounding out the corner, bend this down, come in and just round out the bottom. Now I want to trace the mouth along the inside of the lips. Starting from the left side, follow that curve, coming down underneath the eye and then up in the middle. Bend this down underneath the right eye and then up. Then we're going to trace the bottom of the mouth. Let's draw the top row of teeth. We're going to start in the center. We're going to bend this out towards the left and back in. And taper that back up toward the top to create a fang. Go back to the center, go in the opposite direction on the right. Now I want to continue to add these curved teeth going toward the outside. So I'm just going to add 3 more on the left, and then 3 on the right. Let's add a few along the bottom, starting back in the center. We're going to curve this up and then down, and add a couple more on either side. Now I want to fill the inside of the mouth in black and want to go around those teeth. Now with the face complete, let's move up to the top and draw on the head. We'll start with a curve from left to right, starting up here, and this down, and then up. Now over on the left side, we're going to add some fur. So we're going to bend this down and in with a short point, bend this up and out. Now I'm going to work our way up towards a point on the left side. So coming down, and pull that up. Over on the right side, we're just going to tear this open. So we're going to pull this down and in towards the eye. Let's add a small point. Curve this up and then down. Now I want to make our way up towards the same height, but we're going to add another point here, go all the way up towards the top. From the top corners, we're going to work our way down and then in toward the side of the mouth. So let's start back on the left. We're going to add a few points as we come in. Just going to round out the right side, come down toward the same height. Let's add another point, going up, and down and in. Let's add another point, going out. And I want to bend this down and pull that in towards the side of the mouth. Now inside this gap, we're going to add some stuffing. So we're going to step down, curve this across and then down. Let's add some texture inside with these short curves. Working our way all the way up towards the top. Let's go back to the mouth. We're gonna add some staples around the lips, starting from the left, underneath the eye. I'm gonna add 2 curves. Add one on the bottom. Let's go underneath the right eye. And add one more along the side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the upper body. Just underneath the head on the left side, we're gonna curve the body going out and then down. Go over towards the right and do the same thing. Now I want to tear open the body with these little points, going up, coming down. I want to vary the length of these points. Now I'm going to curve in the opposite direction, coming down, up, add another point, and go all the way towards the side of the body. Let's add a wire going across from the lip, then it's down and across, and then we're just going to trace that just underneath. Let's tuck that stuffing underneath the body. From this point, we're going to step in, curve it around, and then in towards the bottom on both sides. Now I'm going to add some fur. We're going to point these up and then down. We'll work our way across, curving the opposite direction, and add one smaller one on the right. Now, just like we did with the head, we're going to add some texture inside. So starting from the left, add these curves going across. Now, as you come in towards the center, we're going to go in the opposite direction. Now, I'm going to wrap that fur around that stuffing. Starting from the left side, we're going to bend this out and up, come down and in towards the hips. Now, from the center of the body, let's move down. We're going to add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now from the heels, we're going to curl the toe. It's going to round up the heel, go out, then bend that back in. And then on either side, we're going to add 3 large toes. Start from the tip, bend this out and down, round up the toe, and then pull that back in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to layer 2 more toes in behind, starting right here, going out and then in across the top. We're going to do that one more time and just pull that down. We're going to add a fur texture across the ankle. So we're going to bend this up, bend this down and in, go up and then down towards the heel. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. We're going to add another toe on the end, and then one more time going across the top of the foot and then down. Let's add that fur, bending this out, down, up, and then down. Now let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. On the left side, we start by going out and then down about halfway. And it's going to tear open the knee, going up, down, and then up. Let's work our way across the bottom, rounding this out, come up, come down, and up. And we'll pull this down on top of the foot. Now inside that gap, we're going to add that stuffing, starting with a curve. And we'll add that texture inside. Let's go over towards the right side. We're going to do the same thing, coming down to right about there. Then it's up, come down, and then up. Now right here, we draw a straight line coming down. Bend the fur going up and out. And then pull that down on top of the foot. Now I'm going to draw a cable inside. So I'm going to step down, curve this in, step down towards the bottom, and do that again. Now I'm going to split those cables with 2 more curves in the middle. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left. We'll start from the side of the body, then it's out, and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw the thumb, coming down, and then curling that back up. Let's add 3 fingers. From here, bend this down, round out the finger, and then bend that back up. Let's add 2 more fingers, stepping down, add the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around and just pull that up about halfway. We're going to add some fur texture coming back up underneath the head. So bend this down, add that point, do that one more time, and go up and then in underneath the head. Let's go back to the wrist. We're going to add some fur, bend this out, around the thumb coming down. We're going to add 2 points, going up towards the outside. Now we're going to open up the inside of the arm. So we're going to add some fur, add a couple points going up, come all the way down, go up and in towards the inside. Now I want to add some cables going across the inside of the arm. Now with the arm on the right, we're only going to come down about halfway. So we're going to line up the inside, then it's down and in. Now let's tear open up the end. I'm going to add these little points. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go up and in, at a point, go up underneath the head. Let's add a ribbon along the end. From here, we're going to go in between with a curve. Let's draw the bottom of the ribbon. Add a loop coming around and then up. Trace that along the inside. And then the end of the ribbon coming down, flatten this off, and then go back up. Let's add some more cables going across the arm with 3 curves. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.